Hi everyone! In this video you will learn how to use Symmetra's teleporter strategically in Overwatch. Place the teleporter behind enemy lines to allow your team to surprise them from unexpected angles. Use the teleporter to quickly move your team to advantageous high ground positions. Position the teleporter near your team's spawn or safe zones to retreat quickly when under heavy fire. Place the teleporter close to an objective to help your team quickly contest or capture it. Sidestep choke points by placing the teleporter to move through less guarded routes. Enable your team to reach friendly support ultimates, quickly using the teleporter. Teleport your team into battle to catch enemies off guard at the start of a team fight. Coordinate with damage-dealing ultimates to quickly deploy your team for maximum impact. Rescue isolated teammates or those in danger by quickly transporting them to safety. Help your snipers reposition quickly to maintain sight lines or escape threats. Use the teleporter to regroup and retake lost positions swiftly. Secure key defensive positions by quickly reinforcing them with the teleporter. Place the teleporter to intercept enemy flanks and prevent them from surprising your team. Position the teleporter near health packs or support heroes to ensure quick healing and sustain. Assist your tanks in quickly rejoining the front line after respawning. Use the teleporter to contest or push the payload effectively. Place the teleporter as a backup plan for your team to escape dangerous situations or ultimates. Teleport in and out of the objective area to stall the enemy's progress. Deploy the teleporter in unexpected locations to confuse and divide enemy attentions. Help coordinate dive compositions by quickly transporting heroes like Winston or Genji into the fray. Teleport Symmetra herself or another hero like Reaper behind enemy lines for a surprise ultimate. And that's how to use Symmetra's teleporter strategically in Overwatch. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching!